Himanshu Raut, Assistant Professor, Department Humanities. Um, Today is 31st May, that is World's No Tobacco Day. On this day, I would like to say to everyone that consuming tobacco and all can gives us the pleasure for a single moment, but this can kill us in this whole entire process. So please let us make aware of this to everyone, to our friends, our loved ones, that how we can say no to tobacco and what are the side effects, what are the poisonous effect of these tobaccos. So let us take a pledge today, that is we will never consume tobacco, and we will make aware of this thing to our entire family and friends and all, and we will make our workplace, our office a tobacco free zone. So say no to tobacco. Thank you.
छोड़ दीजिए इस बुरी आदतों को, जो यह धूम्रपान आपको कहीं का ना छोड़ेगा। आपका सारा जीवन यह बर्बाद करके ही रहेगा। साथ साथ ले जाएगा आपकी सारी खुशियाँ, आपका सारा परिवार। जीत नहीं है इसमें, इसमें छिपी है आपकी हार। और भी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं जिंदगी में, उनकी आदत डालिए, इस धूम्रपान को आपकी जिंदगी से निकालिए। नो तंबाकू डे। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is World No Tobacco Day. Today's theme is Commit to Quit. And today I would like to promise that I will keep away from tobacco, as tobacco causes cancer, heart diseases, respiratory problems, and other related diseases, and people are dying every day for these diseases. So I would like to request my students, my colleagues, and my country people to keep away from tobacco and stay safe at home with your family members. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Today is World No Tobacco Day. So today I want to request everyone to maintain social distancing with tobacco and all tobacco related products. Two main reasons. First, it is very harmful to your health and to the health of your family. And second, in terms of the money, if you calculate in a year how much money you have lost buying all those stuff, it's a huge number. So basically you are wasting money to harm yourself. That doesn't sound like a good deal. Okay, so again I want to repeat, maintain social distancing with tobacco and all tobacco related products. Cigarette, गुटखा, बीड़ी and तंबाकू से दूर रहें. Okay, have a nice day.
On this occasion of World No Tobacco Day, I take a pledge that I shall never smoke and consume any type of tobacco products in my life, and motivate my family or acquaintances to not to smoke and use any tobacco products. I shall keep the campus of my office tobacco free and shall also motivate my colleagues for the same.
Hello everyone. Today on 31st of May 2021, it is the World No Tobacco Day. I want to emphasize on the fact that this day has been chosen specifically because tobacco has become an increasing problem all over the world. People smoke and people are dying of cancer all throughout the world because of it. Mostly people in the young age group are mostly attracted to smoking because they see it in movies, in all kinds of other platforms, and they think that it is okay to smoke and go through their daily activities, but it is not safe, it is not good for you, it is not good for the people around you. So I humbly request everyone to stop smoking if someone is doing, and stay safe. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. As we all know, the 31st of May is being observed as Anti-Tobacco Day throughout the world. So at the SITM family, we all together take a pledge to stand against this menace and create an awareness among the society to just stop this consumption of tobacco and help us build a more healthier society. Thank you very much.